Hi guys, today I am going to tell you how to convert a dead toy helicopter into a useful fan. So I had this dead toy helicopter which was broken in an accident. So what I did is, first I took out all the spare parts of my helicopter, and uh, there were two fans here above, and so I took out both the fans and kept only one gear system, that is one motor and one gear. I have also taken out the other motor. The fans which I took out, one of the fan I just inverted it and placed it again, so that I can get the air from the back side like this. So now I have connected the two wires to this motor, and now I am connecting this motor to any power supply or battery. So I have a battery. Now you can just watch how powerful it is. Now I also have a power bank, so I can use the power of this power bank for this fan.